Hi students, welcome to Dr. RK classes. Today I will discuss ozonlysis concept. Ozonolysis. By ozonolysis we can predict structure of alkenes. Here ozonolysis is further classified into two types. One is reductive ozonolysis. Another one is oxidative ozonolysis. So in reductive ozonolysis, first you use ozone and further zinc in presence of water. In this, aldehydes and ketones are formed. Aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones are formed in reductive ozonolysis. In oxidative ozonolysis, first addition of ozone and followed by oxidation with water or H2O2 or peracids. In this, carboxylic acids and ketones are formed. In this aldehydes and ketones, in this case, carboxylic acids and ketones are obtained. This is reductive ozonolysis. This is oxidative ozonolysis. First, reductive ozonolysis. Just observe. In reductive ozonolysis, a CH2 double bond CH2 and addition with ozone further on reduction with zinc and water. Just you break the double bond and add oxygen in both sides. You get the product. Here in this case, HC double bond OH. 2 moles of aldehydes are obtained. Similarly, here RCH double bond CH2 and ozonolysis, reductive ozonolysis. In this also, just you break this double bond and addition of oxygen in both sides, you are getting this one. In this case also you are getting 2 aldehydes only. For example, you take this one RH double bond CHR. Here also reductive ozonolysis, you are getting 2 moles of aldehydes only. Same type of aldehydes are obtained. Just you break the double bond and addition of oxygen, you get the product in reductive ozonolysis. For example, just observe here RCR double bond CHR and ozonolysis. You are getting 1 mole aldehyde and 1 mole ketone. 1 mole aldehyde and 1 mole ketone. 1 mole aldehyde and 1 mole ketone. Now another example, just observe. Reductive ozonolysis only. This is reductive ozonolysis. RCR double bond CR and R. And reductive ozonolysis only. In reductive ozonolysis, breaking of this double bond and addition of oxygen, you are getting only ketones in this case. 2 moles of ketones are obtained. Similarly, just use general example, just observe here. One example, 2-butene on ozonolysis, reductive ozonolysis. 2-butene on reductive ozonolysis. You are getting 2 moles of acetaldehyde. For example, 2-methyl 2-butene on reductive ozonolysis. You are getting 1 mole of ketone, acetone, 1 mole of acetaldehyde, 1 mole of acetone and 1 mole of acetaldehyde you are getting. If 2,3 dimethyl, 2,3 dimethyl 2-butene, 2,3 dimethyl 2-butene on reductive ozonolysis, you are getting 2 moles of acetone, 2 moles of acetone. This is reductive ozonolysis. Reductive ozonolysis. In cyclic compound, just observe here. For example, I given this one. Cyclohexene. Cyclic compound. It is further reductive ozonolysis. Reductive ozonolysis. Breaking up this one, oxygen and oxygen. So you are getting double bond O H. Here also double bond O H. Aldehydes. Aldehydes is obtained. Similarly, how to write this one is just observe HC double bond O. HC double bond O. CH2. 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 C double bond O H. This compound is formed. Similarly, just observe this compound on reductive ozonolysis. Reductive ozonolysis. You are getting breaking up this double bond and addition of oxygen. You are getting this compound. This is nothing but just CH3. This is CH3. C double bond O. CH2. 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 C double bond OH. These compounds are obtained. So this is a reductive ozonolysis. So next one is oxidative ozonolysis. In oxidative ozonolysis, which compounds are formed? Carboxylic acids and ketones only. Carboxylic acids and ketones. Oxidative. Oxidative ozonolysis. In oxidative ozonolysis, ketones and carboxylic acids are obtained. Just observe here, CH2 double bond CH2. On oxidizing ozonolysis, first addition of ozone, further on oxidation with water or H2O2 or CO3H. Anyway, they are getting 2 moles of formic acid. 2 moles of formic acid. For example, RCH double bond CH2. It is an oxidative ozonolysis. You are getting RC double bond OH, one carboxylic acid and formic acid. Formic acid. If you are taking this one RCH double bond CHR, it is an oxidative ozonolysis. You are getting 2 moles of carboxylic acids. Same. 2 moles of carboxylic acids. Similarly, just observe here. Just observe here. RC, R, double bond C, H and R. It is on oxidative ozonolysis. Oxidative ozonolysis. Oxidative ozonolysis. You are getting RC double bond OR. One is ketone, another one is carboxylic acid. Ketone and carboxylic acid. For example, you take this one. On oxidative ozonolysis, you are getting 2 moles of ketones only. 2 moles of ketones. For example, just observe here CH3, CH, double bond CH2, CH. 2-butene only again. 2-butene on oxidative ozonolysis, you are getting 2 moles of acetic acid. 2 moles of acetic acid. Similarly, here CH3C 2-methyl 2-methyl-2-butene. On oxidative ozonolysis, you are getting 1 mole of acetone, and 1 mole of carboxylic acid, that is acetic acid. So this is more useful for all competitive examinations.
Please subscribe for more videos. For any doubts, please WhatsApp to my number 98491 38961. Thank you.